Hey guys, all right, let's just go over this really quick. I'm looking at the full contract of the S&P Mini, and it popped up in my supply and demand zone scanner. This whole thing, you get the supply and demand zone scanner with the TrendCloud system. It's going to filter out all of my futures contracts that's in my watch list, okay? So I don't need to go looking at the watch list as much as I need to look at my supply and demand zone scanner. Okay, it's a great system, and the full contract of the S&P popped up in here. Take a look at what happened today, guys. Here we've got the trend cloud in a downtrend on the 4-hour chart. Okay, we're using the 4-hour, the 1-hour, and the 15-minute, and we're all in the red, right? So we've got trend cloud is red, candles are red, we're going down. Okay, so what are we trying to do? We're trying to catch this move to the downside. Middle time frame trend cloud is also down. Okay, that is one of the pieces of information or criteria that you need to take a short. And I go over all of that in the master class. So you get Trend Cloud with all of the indicators and the scanner and the master class. Okay, so you can follow along step by step with us every day in the live trading room. Okay, so here you can see this 1-hour supply zone here. Now, why are we able to take this supply zone here? And you can see it's expensive. Make sure you have the proper account size to trade a full contract. Otherwise, you just go to the micro. It's no big deal. It's the same information. So take a look at CCI, and you can see on this pullback, CCI does not break above positive 100. Okay. We are maintaining the intermediate momentum on CCI to the downside. So we're not using this as overbought and oversold. We're not doing that. We're saying if CCI crosses below negative 100 or negative 200, that the momentum to the downside is very strong on that intermediate time frame, and we want to take advantage of that in our day trade. So as CCI is pulling back to that zero line, it's also pulling back into our supply zone. Let's zoom in on this a little bit more and go to that 15-minute chart. Right here, you see we've got a rally base drop with a gap. Okay, so this is like one big long candle here. Okay, this is like one big long candle from here to here, right? And what does it do? Pulls back into that 15-minute supply zone, hits that proximal line. Okay, previous support has now become resistance. I go over all of that in the class, in the master class. And we get that big move down, right? So we set our proximal entry right here on the supply zone, and we put our stop loss right above structure. And as long as you can handle 1,075 risk, and we've already hit our 2,175 profit target. Okay, so that's a profit in one day, $2,175 in one day. And this thing is still going. So what you would do is take your stop loss here and you would just put it one candle back on your chart there, on that 15-minute chart. So your stop loss would just go right there, okay? And you would follow this down with a manual stop. So this is continuing to go down, and hopefully we get another break below this candle here, and we'll be in the green, okay? We will be in the green. Maybe we'll hit that $3,000 mark. It's got to go a little bit further. If we look to the left here, there's nothing there, right? There's nothing there to stop this from going further, okay? But we're going to trail the stop with this trailing stop here, okay? So we've got another 5 minutes on this 15-minute candle, and we're just going to trail this stop down. But that is the TrendCloud process. High time frame, middle time frame, low time frame. You get all of this with the TrendCloud system. Use it today, guys. Follow it step by step in the masterclass, and also use that trade plan. I've got the free trade plan on my profile here as well. Just go to my profile right here and go to Chris Giuliano profile, and you will see, if you scroll down, here's a bunch of trades, and we've also got the Trend Cloud right here. If you click onto that, if you just want to purchase the Trend Cloud, wait, we have a huge deal. Yes, we do have a huge deal. If you just want the Trend Cloud itself, it's just $25, and you also get a bunch of bonus gifts. And if you want the full system, guys, it's right here. And I've got a deal going on. Just use the word spooky and you will get a spooky discount on the full TrendCloud system here. And it comes with everything that you need to trade futures. Okay. Thanks, guys. I will see you in the next video.